Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netlify forms with SMTP for contact. To start, log into your Netlify account. Select the site where you want to set up the form. Navigate to the Forms tab in your site's dashboard. Click on Add Form to create a new form. Fill in the required fields such as the form name and settings. Make sure to enable the option for email notifications. Scroll down to the Notifications section. Enter your SMTP server details, including the server address, port, and security type. Next, provide the username and password for your SMTP account. Specify the sender email address that will be displayed in your contact emails. Now, set the recipient email address where you want to receive the form submissions. You can also customize the subject line for the emails. When all details are filled in, click Save to apply your settings. To test the form, go back to your site's homepage and submit an entry. Check your email to confirm that you received the contact notification. If everything looks good, your Netlify forms are now activated with SMTP. Make sure to monitor your email and review the submissions regularly. You're all set to start receiving contact emails through your Netlify forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.